Learning Computer Science Made Easy with Target's 12th Computer Science 2 Guide. Based on the latest HSC Board syllabus, the notes follow question-answer format with detailed point-wise solutions. Decode the important topics with chapter-wise weightage. Navigate and study systematically with chapters divided into sections and subsections. Crack the pattern of questions asked with the chapter-wise board questions, solved board question papers, and a collection of 15+ past board papers. Get simple and easy solutions to all programming questions. Break down the complex concepts with simple explanations and relevant diagrams. Ace your practical exam with solved lab manual questions. Reinforce your knowledge with MCQs along with explanations. Get ready to excel in your HSC boards with Target.